This is my seed starting tray. For me, this is great for starting seeds because of the size of it. And I grow a lot of plants. So by being this size, you don't have to do any up-potting. Of your seedlings. You can just grow them up right in this seed starting tray. And then you can transplant them directly into the ground because it's that deep. You have drainage holes on all four corners. See the drainage holes on all four corners. And it has a humidity dome to keep everything moist while the seeds germinate. It's perfect for starting seeds. So you can go directly from this seed starting tray into the ground with decent sized plants. You can also just remove the top on these and just grow like a herb garden inside of it. You can sit it like on a deck or a patio. It's about the size of a small garden bed, so you can start your plants in it and grow like a small herb garden or a flower bed. It has adjustable ventilation holes for temperature and humidity control. The lid helps cut back on the amount of times that you have to water it by keeping the soil moist. And this lid also turns it into a greenhouse. And it's the perfect height, so you don't have to bend your back or bend your knees too much. It's the perfect height, so you can just work inside of it standing. For the drainage holes, I have 4 of these screens to keep all your soil from falling out. So we're going to go ahead and install these. Before we get started with planting these seeds for this spring garden, we'll go ahead and install these parts, and then we'll get these seeds started. We're going to start by adding some old potting soil into the bottom of this garden bed, and we're going to break that up, and then we're going to inoculate that with some flower mama. So we're going to recycle this old potting soil because you never want to throw your soil away. Soil is always still good. It's old soil, so we're just going to break it up in the bottom, and then I'm going to inoculate it with some flower mama. So by the time the roots reach it down to the bottom, it'll be food for them. I had to grab a mask. You want to wear a mask when you're handling dry soil. I'll throw this piece in my compost. That's the good stuff. Still got a little left, which I'll go ahead and use. We'll do one more pot. Now I'm just going to mist it with filtered water. Just want to get it moist, moisten it up, giving it a little bit of mushroom compost. are some pickled cucumber seeds. Put 5 of those down. And 6 of those. This was a purple bell pepper that I grew last year. It's probably the best pepper I ever tasted. So I had to keep some seed from that one. It was purple and green. I'm planting 2 seeds per hole because these seeds are kind of golden brownish. So in case they don't sprout, I'm doing 2 per hole on these. I got them from 2 different peppers, 2 different fruits. So I'm gonna grow seed from both. Some of these look a little better. Pretty sure they're gonna sprout though. I really like this pepper, so I'm adding an extra row of them. That'll be my dinner all summer. One more, no more. These are some string beans that I grew last summer. I'm gonna grow those again this year. This is some honeydew I grew last year. This is some banana melon that I grew last year. I decided to go with another melon for my last seeds. This thing is full already. I got like 1,000 seeds left. So let me get these down and I'm gonna water it and we're done. I'm ready for 2024. Almost. I got about 1,000 more seeds to go. One last thing. Can't forget the top. We're all done.